so many kind of tiny house design, but in this episode, this tiny house is very special because it has several function in this tiny house itself. As we can see from the outside of this tiny house, this tiny house has several functions such as indoor room, semi-outdoor room, and several mechanical, electrical, and plumbing fixture on the side of this tiny house. As we can look from this position, and this tiny house not only have indoor room or semi-outdoor room, but there is a mechanical, electrical, and plumbing system on this back side of this tiny house as we can look, and it has several energy resource such as solar panel. We can look from this position, and this tiny house could movable on the another place because this is the tiny house on wheel, and we can look from the aerial view that was skylight on the bed or loft bed area, as we can look from this position, and there is rooftop on the top with stair access from the outdoor near to the entrance of this tiny house itself, as we can see from the position. And there are many skylight on this tiny house, especially on the bed and above from the kitchen area or living room area. So this indoor room could achieve enough daylighting as we can see like this. Okay, this is about the interior. There were separated room from this tiny house, such as living room, kitchen, and dining table, as we can see right there. And it has corner wall-mounted TV fixture like this, and several cabinet above the kitchen and refrigerator space on this area. And it is about the preview of this skylight from this living from this kitchen, and it has glass from this kitchen area to the rooftop area. Then we can look for the another room. So the bed area is placed on the loft bed position anyway. Okay, we can look around for the loft bed area. This is loft bed area above of the bathroom position of this tiny house, and on the loft bed has large skylight and window on the two side of this loft bed, on the left side and on the right side, large window with a glass and frame like this. Then it has several fixture or several furniture such as a wardrobe on the left side of this bed. Anyway, this bed around queen size, as we can look from this, and it has a TV, wall-mounted TV on the ceiling area, and it's about the small cabinet. Anyway, this is about the movable cabinet, I mean. Then we can look for the bathroom position on the bottom of this bed area. It's very surprising and unique of the bathroom area. Could accommodate the bathtub like this. It's so luxury vibes on this bathroom with a large window and with a wooden wall like this, and we can see what the luxurious bathroom just like this with toilet, wastafel mirror, space for washing machine, space for washer machine in the bottom of the staircase that was to the loft bed access. That I mean, I like the finishing wall with this motif of with this texture. Uh, it's about the stone texture of the bathroom wall. As we can look, it's so elegant. It's so luxurious enough. It's very very luxurious for this simple tiny house, as we can look from this position. Then And for the daylighting system, I think it's very comfortable for the bathroom position. Then we can look from this position. It's almost complete bathroom that I ever seen about the many kind of the tiny house itself. I mean, it's so surprisingly. I like these vibes of this bathroom and another room, especially on the bedroom on the both of this room. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next video. And I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you about how to design your own tiny house, or if you wanna build your own tiny house by yourself. And just wait for my next video in this channel. Thanks for watching.